Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to buy a professional email domain from GoDaddy, right? So as you can see, I'm on to godaddy.com and I have already logged in my GoDaddy account over here, and here in the website's header section there is an option of email. You just need to click on this if you are looking to create an email account associated with your domain name, so that a trust builds between you and your customers. Then you can purchase a professional email domain. As I have a professional email ID, that is founder@digitalbikana.com. In the same manner, you can create your email account, right? Sales@example.com or support@example.com or customer care@example.com, whatever the domain name you have purchased, right? So here in the emails, just go to the business email section or Microsoft 365 section, but I would recommend you to go to the business email section if you're a beginner, right? Don't buy any plan of Microsoft 365 until unless you have a sound knowledge of what Microsoft 365 includes, right? You need to focus on these two, right? So I will go to the business email. Okay, so here are the 4 different plans, right? And you can check, in this plan you will be getting 10 GB of email storage, whereas in this plan you will be getting 30 GB of email storage with 1,50,000 email storage, right? And 50 GB and then 100 GB of email storage, right? So here if I want a single professional email domain, then I would go with this plan, right? If I want 5 email addresses, then also I can go with this plan if I just require 10 GB of storage, right? Whereas if I require more storage, then I can go with this plan. So I'm adding this plan into the cart, and you can see that if I purchase this particular professional email domain, then it would cost me around this, right? And simply you can use any payment method like debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI, and can make the payment of this professional email domain, and this professional email domain would be purchased in your GoDaddy account. Then you can simply set up this professional email domain on your Outlook or your Gmail, right? So that you can check your emails regularly and you can send email to your customer using your professional email domain. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.